Welcome to VOX Enterprise Lifecycle Management. VOX Lifecycle is our proprietary consultative framework designed to assist and enable our clients to make informed decisions to achieve desired business outcomes. VOX Lifecycle is prescriptive. It is a step-by-step methodology that includes a broad range of specialized consultative services that help you navigate today's global challenges. Organizations that are serious about transformation transcend technology to a comprehensive multidimensional purview. The bottom line is that more than any time since the Industrial Revolution, organizations are faced with such a vast amount of change that core and foundational shifts are not just warranted, but necessary for survival. The experts at VOX are here to help. With VOX Lifecycle, you get both a roadmap and partner to guide you through the unknown. We invite you to experience the VOX difference. We invite you to create something better. Get to know VOX. We help you prosper.